Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. The T-Roc R-Line 1.5 litre TSI at 150 PS comes available at Oldham Volkswagen in a deep black pearl finish. The car does look remarkable and has just one previous owner, which is ourselves, as the car is being used as demonstrator, so mileage is due to change, but you can be rest assured it's been well maintained. You have your upgraded 19-inch Misano Black alloy wheels, which complement the exterior finish well, offering a sporty and stylish look. Powerful aluminum mirrors, which do fold in when locked to provide safety for the vehicle, minimising the risk of damaging them, great for places like shopping centres, and a fairly spacious boot capacity, big enough to fit a weekly shop inside, with additional storage space and height underneath there for a spare wheel. ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the centre console, and USB-C inputs in the back there for fast charging. Now, the multifunction steering wheel does give access to your dashboard display, we'll touch on that a bit later. You can see in the front there we have our sport seats, which is an optional extra to the car with the R-Line embroidery on them. You also have an upgraded panoramic sunroof, which does offer a diverse and dynamic driving experience, offering access to fresh air and light alongside a skyline view, perfect for summer drives. Function steering wheel also incorporates DSG shift paddles for manual gear changing, and on the immersive active info display it shows key information like your driving data, audio and your navigation. To the left hand side you have features like the adaptive cruise control to offer a safe and consistent speed whilst travelling on the motorway, showing confidence, safety and a layer of comfort throughout. Over to the infotainment screen, there's a wide array of different options to choose from, and going into App Connect we get access to the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. This essentially allows you to display your phone directly through the car to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and even Google Maps navigation if you do prefer. It opens up a completely new perspective to the infotainment screen. As we go into our drive mode selection with the 4 different drive modes to offer a much more tailored experience. For example, Eco is a bit more fuel efficient, while Sport offers a more performance-based drive. An Individual allows you to tweak a wide array of different settings to get to that perfect driving position. For example, I can change the driving and steering into Sport while everything else stays as normal. Into our park distance control, we have our parking sensors, ensuring confidence and safety in every manoeuvre, ensuring that we minimise the risk of damaging the car in any way. This is great for places like shopping centres, where traditionally it can be a little bit tight. As we do pop these cars into reverse, you see the sensors do automatically display, but it is nice to know we can access this at any point. Lastly, the car also incorporates a winter pack, which is your front heated seats. With 3 different heat intensities to choose from, it offers a much more comfortable winter experience. And to also have a dual climate control, which essentially allows you to change the temperature separately or synchronize it with the master switch on the driver's side. On the approved used vehicle. This vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside 2 years roadside assistance and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.